Hi all, the concept for the day is alienation. As we all know that alienation is a very important concept put forward by Karl Marx and it has acted as one of the most important critique of the capitalistic mode of production. So in one word alienation means separation. So separation of the worker from the overall, production process. So there are four dimensions of alienation put forward by Karl Marx. So the first dimension is alienation from the product, which means that the worker gets separated from the final product or the final output which has been produced by himself or herself. The second dimension is alienation from the production process. So the production process is so repetitive and time constrained that the worker gets separated from the overall production process. The third dimension is alienation from the fellow worker. So this working environment in which the laborers work, it's a very competitive environment, so there is lack of cooperation, for which the worker do not get much time to talk or just indulge in conversation with their fellow workers, and they are in a constant competition to produce more, for which we can see that there is a separation from the fellow workers. The fourth or the final dimension of alienation is alienation from oneself. So the worker gets alienated from their own self, because we can see that the production process is so competitive and repetitive that they can't put any creativity or any intelligence of their own. They have to work according to the person who is sitting in the higher position, for which we can see that the worker gets alienated from their own self.